So let me go ahead and open these up. So yeah, it's pretty dusty for the past 2 years. So for mine, another thing is mine actually has 16 gigabytes of RAM, whereas Mystic's has 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's another difference. Here's a hard drive. I have 1 terabyte. She has 500 gigs. Let me go ahead and get the vacuum really quick. I don't have any professional tools, unfortunately. So I don't have a compressor where I could blow the dust out. My only tool right now is the vacuum. So let me go ahead and use the vacuum and then I will be right back. Alright, so that should be mostly everything.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.